Welcome back to my channel. Today I don't have that very good news, but fingers crossed. Okay guys, it's time for me to change my channel. For many years I kept my tutorials for free so everybody could watch them for free, but it's a new year and it's time for some changes. So first of all, I like to say that I still love to make my projects. It's my passion, it's the whole package what I love, from designing papers to create a project with the packaging and to editing and to photograph, you name it. It's a lot and it takes a lot of my time, which I love, but I also need to move on. My kids are grown, so it's time for me to get a job again, and I am super excited. But I was thinking, can I still mix this? So I hope I can, but because I just don't like to quit this all, because I just love it way too much. So to keep me crafting, I needed to change a little. So from now on, my tutorials are no longer for free. I'm so sorry. I'm going to ask a little amount for them, and so all my new ones from now on are 14.95 euros. So each project you will get for that amount the complete tutorial list. And so how we are gonna do this? Well, I show you the instruction videos as always. And if you would think, oh, I like this project, I want to make this, so then just send me an email, and the addresses are to be found below the description box. I have two emails, you can choose either one, and just write to me and send me a message that you like to follow the tutorial series, and then please say which one, for example Farm Fresh, and then I email you back with the payment information. Then after the payment is received, you will get the full list of the tutorial links with the written measurements as well. The same measurements the kit buyers gets normal in their kit, but if you're gonna buy the kit, then the tutorial list will be included. It's all inclusive, so it's double fun. But there is more sad news. So I decided, I really have thought about this this complete weekend. So I decided to keep the tutorials who are made with other papers than my own. Those are still free to watch. But the ones, I had to make the decision guys, but the ones who are made from my own paper collection, those are going to be listed as paid tutorials. So I'm going to make a list of all that are Scrap Queen designs, but it's a small amount. It's a small amount. It's a one-time payment of $19.95 to get all 25 projects. It's a very large list. So from all the 25 projects, a one-time payment of $19.95. So from Sherlock Holmes, that's my first one, till the last one from 2025 is Celestial Moth. So all of those are 25. Those are one-time payment. So if you bought older kits, then it's, yeah, I'm so sorry, it's one-time payment and you get all 25 projects. You don't have to say I want this. You get the whole 25 projects. And then from 2026, so from now on, for example, Farm Fresh is the first one. Each project with all the tutorials and the measurements is going to be 14.95 euros. So, but still, all the kit buyers gets it all. So, oh my gosh. It's so much. I still hope that you are with me. So all the ones, yeah, who did buy older kits need to get that one-time payment. I'm so sorry, I need to. So yeah, there are still plenty projects to watch they are still be free, all the projects that I made with other papers. So I hope guys for your understanding, and it's either this or complete stop creating and get myself a full-time job. I just need to pay my bills, same as you, and yeah, so I hope I still can split this. So maybe a 2-day job and the rest of the week doing this. I don't know. It's all up to you. You decide actually if I'm gonna keep doing this or need to stop this. So yeah, that is my decision. So yep, from now on, all the Scrap Queen designs are going to be listed as paid tutorials. I hope you're still with me, guys. It was a hard decision to make, and it's not a fun decision, absolutely not. But yeah, it needs to be done. Alright, guys. Fingers crossed. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and I guess you don't. But hope to see you next time. Bye bye.